The Blue Heron Bridge, located in Palm Beach County, Florida, is a wonderful habitat for many different marine species. Located in an intercoastal waterway, less than 2 miles from an ocean inlet, fresh nutrient-rich waters flow through this area with every tide change. Much of the bottom is made up of fine sand and loose rubble, which is a great substrate for marine plants, sponge, and hydroids to grow on. These living organisms are the foundations for sea life at the bridge. This long-armed octopus is looking for breakfast while being harassed by several slippery dicks. They seem to be taunting him, maybe in hopes of a free meal. He retaliates with an aggressive ninja lunge. Making a quick getaway, the thief runs off before he becomes the meal. Not far away, 2 common octopi are mating. The male octopus has a modified arm called a hectocotylus, which is about 1 meter long and holds pouches filled with millions of sperm cells. Most males will slowly approach a receptive female and insert the arm into the gills cavity, where it deposes the sperm cells. Here you can see the female seems to be holding the hectocotylus in place. Mating can last for several hours. Once finished, the male slowly backs away from the female. In some species, the male loses the hectocotylus after mating. It will regenerate for the next mating season. This female seems to be contemplating the secrets of the universe directly afterward, while the male takes off looking for a snack in a nearby crab den and to have a smoke. The common octopus has a lifespan of 12 to 24 months long. In that time, they will generally search for new real estate every week or 2. Octopus dens are usually under rocks, in abandoned holes, and in some cases they have been known to take up residence inside old discarded jars. This octopus has located an abandoned pickle jar for its new home, and seems to be checking the surrounding area for upgradable fixtures to deck out her new castle in style. Finding a suitable door, she makes the install and checks for legroom and versatility. Recent research suggests that each arm has a mind of its own and acts independently with its own nervous system. The brain may simply delegate orders, while the arm is responsible for deciding exactly how to execute the order. These arms seem to have one common goal, and that is home renovation. Feeling that a few more adjustments are needed, she extends the living room by a few inches, checks out the view from the skylight, and confirms that there is now enough legroom for easy access and optimum comfort. Everything is in perfect order, and it is now time to settle down and enjoy her new castle. In a week or so, we see why there was so much effort extended to make the perfect home. She has eggs, and not just a few. Most common octopus lay anywhere from 200,000 to 400,000 eggs. These are not laid all at once, but over several days in a succession of egg strands. The female meticulously cares for her eggs, constantly running her tentacles over them to ensure that they have fresh water flow and are clean and well oxygenated. They start out as clear pouches that turn milky white and then to a dark brownish color as they mature. It takes anywhere from 30 to 90 days for the eggs to hatch depending on the water temperature and the conditions. These eggs are getting ready to hatch, as you can see by the change from the milky white color to the dark brown shown here. I went to visit her on many occasions, and at each visit, she tried very hard to completely conceal visibility of the eggs. Other than one lone hatchling, there's no visibility of any eggs here at all. If she had laid her eggs in a less visible den, I'm sure I never would have witnessed this wonderful event. The female octopus takes her parenting role very seriously and seems to be relieved that her babies have all hatched and are now off to live their own lives. Watching nature unfold and witnessing some of its many wonders is what keeps me diving. I was sad to see this courageous and strong octopus pass. She will forever hold a special place in my thoughts and memory. I find I have a new respect for these animals and a growing interest in finding out more about them.